170 years ago, the Grand Duchy of Luxembourg was a small country plagued by poverty and famine. Seeking for a better life, a group of Luxembourgers left everything behind and headed for the New World. When word got back to Luxembourg about the opportunities in the United States, more and more people followed. Many thousands of Luxembourgers left for the New World in the 19th century. Today, in the 21st century, some of these descendants of these brave immigrants have had the incredible opportunity to reclaim citizenship back in Luxembourg. As a member of the European Union, Luxembourgish citizenship in turn allows these individuals to live, work, study, and retire in over 30 countries in Europe. This can be life-changing. For me, it's enabled me to work in 5 different countries. Just like back in the day, when word got back around this incredible opportunity, more and more people jumped on it. Today, the number of Luxembourgish dual citizens from the United States is in the thousands. By the end of 2022, these citizens will be equivalent to more than 1% of Luxembourg's total population. The implications of that could be huge. By the 2023 elections in Luxembourg, there will be more eligible Luxembourgish American voters than in Mersch, Luxembourg's 13th biggest town. At LuxCitizenship, we've had the opportunity to work with 800 of these new Luxembourgers. We've traced the migratory pattern of the different generations of their ancestors in the United States and gotten to know who these people are themselves today too. Each year, we produce a unique in the world interactive study about who are these brave immigrants from Luxembourg and how that affects their descendants looking to reconnect with the country today. We call this the American-Luxembourgers study. Throughout our different research reports, you'll find analysis on what has motivated these people to apply for dual citizenship and about their interests in a future in Europe. You can take a look at the different research reports to learn more. You can also use the on-page contact form to send us any questions about the project. And finally, if you yourself are an American-Luxembourgish dual citizen, please use the form on the page to participate in the next edition of the study as well. We're so excited to share more information about this special community with you. We're sure you'll be hearing much more about them soon.